हो गया.
Oh, by the way.
Look at the magic.
Why did this? I'm sorry. I thought it was really solid.
I did it with him.
Oh, that
It was
happened.
perfectly fine.
हमारे गार्लिक में चला गया. Yeah, it's a good thing. This was not recorded, right? Oh.
Yeah. Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I have a very important guest on my channel. So she is Miss India Andhra Pradesh, actress, model, beauty pageant coach and a fellow YouTuber. So welcome to the channel, Nikita Tanwani.
Hey. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for having me.
It's a great honor to have you on our channel today. And before we get into the act, I would want to know how did you end up at the beauty pageant?
So interesting story, but I'll keep it short. As a child, I was always interested in entertainment, glamour industry. Just looking at pictures of models in magazines really fascinated me. So I wanted to do that. And I also really love talking to people. And so I think beauty pageants was just, as I grew older, I realized it's a combination of those two things. And so it just kind of happened to me.
So Nikita, I have a question for you. Does these beauty pageants eat anything?
Yeah, we do eat. In fact, that's a myth that models or pageant contestants don't eat. We eat
I don't
a lot.
know. I don't know. I doubt.
We eat a lot. We eat everything, but I think we also work out and then balance it out. Yeah.
That's very
Yeah.
important. That's very important. Good. Do you cook?
Sometimes.
Means?
Sometimes. I can, but I don't cook a lot.
So that is what we are here to find out today. Okay, we are putting you
Okay.
against him.
Okay.
Amateur versus pro.
Is that even a fair contest?
Amateur
Everything
versus
is fair and food and wine.
I love that sentence.
Amateur versus pro.
Okay.
Right. You get 30 minutes. You both get 30 minutes each.
Mhm.
You both get one feature ingredient. Rest everything is common.
Okay.
Right. Now, since you said everything is fair in food and wine, I guess we will.
Everything's
do that
fair.
as well.
True.
Right?
Welcome.
Since you're an amateur, you get to take help from us, the chefs of the hotel, and everybody except him.
Oh, I don't get him from. Okay.
Good.
And you get an additional 5 minutes
Oh, thank you.
Bonus
Do-
time also.
Extra time or like in the beginning?
extra time.
Okay. But we start at the same time.
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
So, what is your main ingredient which you are choosing in?
I see mushrooms here, so I'm definitely going to use that.
All right. Take
And-
that. Keep it to your side.
All right. And I see shrimp. I'm going to see if I can use it. Not
Brilliant.
very sure yet.
Done.
But yeah.
So you have taken mushrooms and shrimp to your side, which I am deprived of. And my main ingredient is I'm taking a minced chicken.
Okay.
So I'm going to make with this.
I'm sure
So-
you're going to create magic with anything.
So let's-
Hypothetically.
Let's go.
Okay. I'm blessing my pan.
You're
Please
sending
make-
positive vibes
please,
into it.
Yeah. Please make good pasta. Please.
Mic testing 1, 2,
Okay.
45 seconds and then we begin.
Okay. Oof.
3. So I have here with me a pan. So let me start.
What? We're not starting yet.
30 seconds till we begin.
We're allowed to do this, right?
Yeah, turn it on, do whatever you want. This is your mise en place.
Okay. मेरे में आवाज नहीं आ रही, आपके में आवाज क्यों आ रही है?
5,
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Ellie.
Seriously?
So
Oh, okay.
I'm going to make a nice, interesting pasta. So
I
for
can't
which
do
I
the
have already
voiceover.
taken pre-boiled pasta. So I'm going to start adding olive oil to the pan.
This is the white sauce for my pasta. So I decided to make the sauce from scratch. So I am melting some butter here and I've added some maida. And the plan is to mix these together and try not to form lumps. And we're gonna add some milk in a while. So that's gonna form the liquidy part of the sauce. And I recently realized that white sauce does not really have any cheese in it. I used to think white sauce is all just melted cheese.
See, I have a very interesting recipe today which I wanted to share with many people. It's a fusion dish. I'm making Ulavacharu spaghetti. So
What is Ulavacharu made of exactly?
it's made out of horse gram.
Horse?
gram.
What is horse gram?
That's like a lentil.
Oh, okay.
So it's very
Temple.
popular in the certain regions of Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema. And I also got to know that they use this across India in...
What happened to my milk? What happened?
Are you serious? Buy a dahi ban gaya.
My milk. My sauce. My sauce is sabotaged.
Pause.
Can I continue making this?
Do it.
Yeah. You can add cream and water.
Yeah, wait, that's what I'm doing to save it.
So we see one of the conditions has already sabotaged one of the ingredients. You guys still do not get extra time.
What? I thought we were putting the competition on hold. I'm struggling here. My original recipe has been sabotaged.
So little bit of oregano,
My
a bit
thing is
of
starting to look like a sauce.
cheese. Oh, look at that.
Looks like sauce.
So now in goes my pasta.
I should have tasted this. So my sauce is done. So I think we'll taste it and try to modify it later if needed. So now I'm going to saute my mushrooms. So I've added a bit of olive oil. In goes garlic.
We're almost done. Here comes my
Really?
secret ingredient.
Jaldi. How much time is done? I think adding rosemary to the oil will make a difference. What did you add? What is that red thing?
Ulavacharu.
That's what it looks like. Sankalp seems to have figured out some shortcut way of making pasta. I still have sauce, mushrooms to be done, shrimp if we have time, and then we gotta mix all of this together.
Oh, look at that aroma.
You're just doing what I'm doing, okay?
It's
Sankalp has FOMO. Oh, beautiful. Now I smell things.
it's done.
Are you serious? Kitna time hua hai? You finished a dish in like 10 minutes? This is like cooking against Gordon Ramsay where you're failing miserably.
20 minutes.
20 minutes are gone.
20 minutes remaining.
Okay. You should say that last word. So you did make a dish in 10 minutes. Oh, I feel like
Yes.
eating it already. I don't know. I want to add oregano, but I don't know which step I'm supposed to add it in. So I'm gonna let the mushrooms saute. Let's look at my sauce. Looks good.
And the
think-
last ingredient.
He might be done sooner, but I think mine will taste better because slower cooked things are supposed to taste better.
So here is my twist to the whole dish. So this is the...
Where's your chicken? You didn't even use your chicken. Wait, you used the chicken?
Nope.
It's untouched. He said he's going to use chicken. Your hero ingredient is missing.
Oh, दूसरा लैडल किधर है?
So I'm going to keep the mushrooms on the
ऐसा
side.
दूसरा किधर था?
They
Oh,
look
वहाँ
pretty
पे.
done. Okay. I'm not using that.
Yeah.
Are you making two dishes just to show off? Okay.
No, the minced chicken is going to come beside.
So you didn't use your chicken.
Hello,
I'm just wasting your time.
cheating. See,
You're scaring me.
she stole my chicken.
You're done with your dish already.
Yeah.
The tail is already curled. Do we flip these things? Is shrimp supposed to be flipped?
It's also very quick, but I see it's little and then translucent.
Yeah. So wait for it.
It's gonna turn white.
Oh, okay.
So my chicken is getting cooked.
I'll open my pasta till
It's in
then.
the final stage. I'll just add a bit of ulavacharu to it.
1100. He's cooking at 1100. No wonder.
I told you, your temperature must be low.
I was at 350. 1/3 the temperature.
My chicken is nicely done and cooked. And now
His meat is cooking faster than my shrimp.
add a dash of ulacharu to it. Toss them up, and then we serve it all around it. And that would complete our ulacharu chicken spaghetti.
I'm stressing out, guys. I'm stressing
15
out.
minutes to go. 15 minutes.
This feels like a real MasterChef vlog.
And we are
They
done.
told me the tails will curl in. I'm guessing that's done. Oh my goodness. Can I get a new pan?
So you just wanna scrape this from the bottom.
And keep it in the pan.
That is where all the shrimp and the mushroom flavor lives.
Okay. Oh.
Viewers,
This is my.
my dish is
sauce.
done. Hi.
Oh, it's heavy. It better be worth, like, it should feel like a 30-minute dish. Yeah.
Can I help you?
No, I have ego issues.
Oh my goodness.
No. I want my victory to taste sweet because I earned it. And the genie help doesn't count here.
इसको थोड़ा wash करके
Sauce, don't burn. See?
Those
so
are
much-
burnt mushrooms.
Those are not burnt. That's how they look.
Burnt mushrooms.
At least I have like 4 or 5 ingredients.
Oho.
Components. Okay, now we add the pasta. I think I'm not gonna add a lot of pasta because I want like it to be very saucy. Okay, I think mine will be like more fulfilling and yummy because it's like all cheesy and stuff. You changed my temperature
Yeah, increased it.
for
Like-
good or for competition?
No.
Okay. I have trust issues with my competitor as well. It may not look pretty, but I will make it look pretty.
Oh, too cheesy.
See, if you're eating pasta, I mean, where's the cheese in your pasta?
It's all
It
over
should
it.
be, I said, Mamma Mia, cheesy.
It's all everywhere.
It is? I saw you add like a little bit of parmesan. Very
So
good.
while I've got some more time, I would want to do garlic bread.
Me too. Get some for me too. Oh, wait, no. Mine is like comfort food, and then see, the amateur made comfort home food. Sorry. And the pro made restauranty food.
This is a fusion food. You would never find it in
Fusion food, actually.
any restaurant. It's a new creation altogether.
Okay, I can't wait to taste it though, honestly.
You can be generous with the butter.
Yeah, but we don't have time. Where's the garlic? I don't know if this works. This is how you make garlic bread?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Ah!
3, 2, 1.
Done. I got it on the plate, and this is smoking.
Okay, keep it away from the fire alarms before the buzz.
This is the second pan I burned.
Oh yeah,
Oh, by the way,
look at the magic.
why did I'm sorry. I thought it was really solid.
All right, Nikita, wonderful participation.
Thank you.
And before we taste it, let's ask the chef to come
Yeah, we need
and
a-
give his opinion about our dishes. So let's invite Satish. Come in.
Oh wow, it's just fabulous. So, who has made this?
आप
You
टेस्ट
gotta
करो
guess.
सर.
I have to guess this.
आप टेस्ट करो, उसके बाद हम बोलेंगे क्या क्या है किस. Brilliant.
I can feel the flavor of seafood in your pasta. Pasta is cooked to the perfection. Black pepper is showing its presence in the pasta, so that's very good. Even some use of parmesan cheese is fabulous. I will say it's a very good dish altogether. Using prawns with the black pepper was a very good choice. It's a very good combination of pasta.
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant.
I'm amazed. It's the Indian version of pasta. That's great. You use curry leaves. You have given an Indian flavor tadka to this. I can feel the aroma. It's like the aroma of South Indian food in this. It's very good. Minced chicken is cooked very well, and pasta is also to its perfect consistency. It's all together. It's also a very good dish. If you tell me to judge out of this, this has got own flavors like prawns and everything. That is obviously has got a South Indian taste in that. So being in Hyderabad, I will like that due to the fusion in that. When you say authentic Italian pasta, this is great, but for fusion, this is excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Nikita.
Congratulations to you too.
Job well done.
But I still want a winner. We had a very diplomatic judge. Still want a winner.
Next episode we have a tiebreaker.
Let's see
I'll
how
go
that's
take
going
some
to be.
cooking classes before that.
Thank you for coming to the
Thank
channel.
you so much for having me. This was amazing. Just amazing. I loved it.
It's brilliant to have you and cooking for us the amazing shrimp pasta. And do like, comment, and share your views on this. And do watch Nikita Tanwani's channel for an exciting episode that is going to come up very soon.
Yeah.
Until then, happy dining.
Bye, guys.